Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, how are you? Today, we're going to study again in mathematics lesson. What we're going to learn today, yes, we're going to learn about the volume of a cube and cuboid. But before we start the lesson, let's recite Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I have a question for you. Yes, can you count the amount of unit cubes in this cube and cuboid? First of all, Miss Dian has one cube, and the second one, I have a cuboid. Can you count the unit of cube in each solid figures? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, I think that's enough. And okay, I think you are very good for answer how many unit of cubes in each big cube and cuboid, right? There are 27 of unit of cube because each layer has 9 unit of cube, so there are 3 layers and there are 27 of unit of cubes. And what about the other one? We have one layer consists of 6 units of cubes, so there are 2 layers there. So it means that there are 12 units of cube in the cuboid. Okay, good for you. Now, how can we find the volume of a cube? When you see the pictures, the solid figures, the volume of the cube, you can find it by multiply the length by its length and its length. Okay, so you just have to multiply the length of each cube, which is the length of each side has the same length, right? If one length is 5 centimeters, so the other length will be 5 centimeters also, right? Okay. After you find the volume of the cube, you can also find how to find the length of a cube from its volume. You just have to make the cube root of the volume so you can find the length of the cube. Okay, remember? Easy, right? Now we're going to study about the cuboid. How to find the volume of the cuboid? The volume of the cuboid, you can find it by multiply the length by the breadth and by the height. The length, the breadth, and the height of a cuboid has a different length, okay? Different measure. But you can also find the length of the breadth, and the breadth also have the same measure, or the breadth and the height of the length of the height, but not the length and the breadth and the height. If they have the same length, all of them, you call it as a cube, not a cuboid, okay? So, how do you know the age of a cuboid, the unknown age of a cuboid? As you know that a cuboid have length, breadth, and height, right? When you want to find the length of the cuboid, you just have to divide the volume of the cuboid by the breadth times the height. So you can also mix it. If you want to find the breadth, how can you find it? You just have to divide the volume divided by the length times the height. And when you want to find the height, you just have to divide the volume divided by the length times the breadth. Okay? It's so easy, right? Are you ready? First of all, the length of each length of the cuboid is 9 centimeters. Find that the length of the cuboid is 9 centimeters. Can you find the volume? How to find the volume of the cube? Sorry, it has to be a cube, not cuboid, okay? How to find the volume of the cube? Yes, you have to find it by multiplying the length by its length by its length. Find it yourself, okay? The second one. The volume of the cube is 1,331 centimeter cube. Now, can you find its length? How to find it? You just have to find the cube roots of the volume. So, find the cube roots of 1,331. Okay? The third question. The length of a cuboid is 12, and the height is 8, and the breadth is 6. Can you find its volume? Okay. If you already knows the answer, you can give your answer on the comment part of this YouTube channel, and then Miss Dian will respond your answer, okay? But don't forget to write the step, okay? Clear enough? Okay. Thank you for today's lesson. See you at school. No, see you at Zoom at school. Maybe next week. See you later. Bye-bye. Say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Thank you. Bye-bye.